Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to download and install Davinci Resolve 18 in Windows. Open Google Chrome and search Davinci Resolve 18. Click on first website www.blackmagicdesign.com. Scroll down and click on Free Download Now button. Here select Davinci Resolve version and operating system 2. I am downloading for Windows. We have to fill this form to download Davinci. Now click on Register and Download button. So finally downloading has been started. Let me open Chrome's download tab. It will take little bit more time to fully download. After downloading, open folder and click extract all option. It will extract zipped file. Open folder and double click on Davinci Setup. It will start installation. Now click Install button to install all these extensions. It will take time to install all dependencies. Click Next, Next and Install button. It will ask you to restart your computer. You can select Yes button to restart. Right now I am not gonna restart my computer. So installation has been completed. Let's open Davinci Resolve app. Click Continue button and Quick Setup button. Here select Project Resolution Type and click Continue button. You can select location where you want to store videos. Now select Keyboard Layout. All dependencies setup done and click Start button. So finally you can see the installation has been done. You can create your project and start doing work on it. I will post more Davinci Resolve 18 tutorials on this channel. click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.